What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my very first Christmas decorate and clean with me. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating my loft area for Christmas, showing some of the items that I bought in my Christmas haul a few videos ago. So if you want some Christmas inspiration and decor inspiration, then just keep on watching. In town. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Yoshika. I'm a millennial wife in the Atlanta area, and on my channel I do tons of cleaning motivation, and I also do DIY and home decor style videos as well. So if that's up your alley, then why don't you stay a while and check out some of my other videos and subscribe if you are so inclined. Also, don't forget to introduce yourself down in the comments. I love to chat it out down below. If you are a returning subby, welcome back and shout out. I so appreciate you guys, every single video, all of your love and support. And yeah, you guys let me know if you're already decorating for Christmas and the holidays. I'm trying to keep it localized to the upstairs area, but I think I will be decorating my living room area here soon in the next couple of days. So stay tuned for that, guys. For you can trust that to be true. Yeah. A dog pup. Still sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you why. But wherever you are, near or off far, outside my door or in some airport bar, I still wish you the very
the songs that we all know. Well,
it, guys. I'm so excited to finally have one corner of my house decorated for the holidays, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed coming along. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up down below, and let's chat down in the comments about your routine or traditions when decorating your home for the holidays. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.